students, myself Rekha. Today we will do 7th lesson coordinate geometry exercise 7.1 first bit. See here, find the distance between the following pairs of points. Here see here, two pairs are there. One pair we will take A, one pair we will take B. Any name you give it. Okay, see here, one pair I am taking A, 2, 3. Next, one more pair I am taking 4, 1. This name I am giving B. So, two pairs are there. First pair 2, 3. Second pair 4, 1. Now see here, we will find what the distance we will find. Distance find means we will use distance formula. D is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. This is the distance formula. So, now see here, confuse is there means first one x1 y1, this is x2 y2. See here I am writing first number is x1, this is y1, this is x2 y2. Confuse is there means we will write side. X1 is equal to 2, next y1 is equal to 3, next x2 is equal to 4, y2 is equal to 1. First you mention here. Mention. Now in this one apply means you will get the answer. See here, D is equal to x2 means what? 4 minus x1 means what? 2. 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 means 1 minus y1 means 3 whole square and it. Now see here, D is equal to 4 minus 2, 2 square plus see here. Now small number to big number minus. Small number to big number minus means you will get answer in minus. 3 minus 1 it is a 2 whole square under it. Now see here, D is equal to 2 square means 4. Again minus into minus it's become a plus. Plus into plus again you will get plus. So 2 2s are 4 under it. So D is equal to what is the answer? 8 root is the answer. You are keeping like this 8 root also correct answer. Again you have to simplify means take here 8 means what? 2 4s are 8. Next 2 2s are 4. Next 2 1s are 2. So D is equal to what we are writing? 2 into 2 under root. See D is equal to, this is one pair is there. One pair is there means we can take outside is equal to 2 root 2. Why it is outside means 2 to the 4 root. 4 root value how much? 2. So we can take this one outside. So 2 root 2 is the answer. See here, this meaning what the distance what is there means in the graph 1.23 is there. Next one more point what is there? 4 1 is there. 4 1. This name any point in graph we have to find this all. Okay. A B. A point what is there? 2 3 is there. B point what is there? 4 1 is there. This distance finding we will use the distance formula. In introduction video I explained this all full detail. You can watch it. Okay. This distance you are finding we will use the distance formula. Okay. This much only. Every sum 3 sums are there in this bit. 3 questions same style of sums. So we will. Now second question. Minus 5 7. Minus 1 3. Here I will write. See. This is x1 y1. Next x2 y2. You mention here. x1 is equal to minus 5. Next y1 is equal to 7. Next x2 is equal to minus 1. y2 is equal to 3. So you mention here. Next you write the distance formula. Distance formula D is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under it. So you mention the values, you will get the answer. That's it. Okay. X2 means what? Minus 1. In question minus is there. X2 after x1. X1 means what? Minus 5. So minus of minus 5. Carefully apply this one. Whole square is the answer. See here. Once again I will say x2 is equal to minus 1. In the question minus is there. Next x1 is equal to minus 5. So this meaning what? Minus of minus 5 whole square. Plus y2 means what? 3. Minus y1 means what? 7 whole square. Now you write here under it. Now carefully simplify this one. First we will remove this common bracket. Okay. See here. Minus 1. Minus into minus plus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 4. Small number to big number minus, you will get answer in minus. 3 minus 7 minus 3, you will get the 4 whole square. Carefully see here. Small number to big number minus, you will get minus answer. So 7 minus 3, what is the answer? 4 answer. Okay. Minus 4. Okay. Under it. Now see here. D is equal to, simplify this one. Minus 1 plus 5. Big number sign is the plus. 5 minus 1 is what? 4 square. Next. Here plus. Now see here. Confuse is there means one more step we will do. Minus 2 times. It's become what? Minus into minus. Plus 4 4 is 16 under root. Now see here. D is equal to 4 4 is 16. Plus again 16. So 16 plus 16, what is the answer? D is equal to 32 root. 32 also correct answer. Again you have to simplify, means what you will do? 32. See here. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 8s are 16. Again 2 4s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2. Now see here. D is equal to, what is there? How many 2s? 1 2 3 4 5 2s. See here. 1 2 3 4 5 2s under root. Now see here. D is equal to, here one pair is there, you take 1 2 outside without root. Here one pair is there, take outside without root. What is remain? Only this is single number is there, you keep in the root. Okay. So D is equal to 2 2s are 4 root is the 4 root 2 is the answer. So this writing also correct answer. Again you have to simplify, means you write this answer. Okay. Now third question. A B and minus A minus B. Okay. See here. This is x1 y1. This one x2 y2. Now mention here x1 is equal to A. Next y1 is equal to B. Next x2 is equal to minus A. Next y2 is equal to minus B. See here. Now in formula you apply that. Formula what is there? See here. D is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Now see here. Carefully we will apply. Minus sign is there. Carefully we will do. D is equal to x2 means what? Minus A. X2 means minus A. In question minus is there. Next x2 after x1 means what? A whole square plus y2 means minus B. In question minus is there. Keep minus. Y1 means what? B whole square under root. Now see here. Carefully simplify. See here. D is equal to minus A minus A minus 2A. Here back side nothing is one number. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So minus A minus 2A whole square plus minus B minus 2B whole square under root. Now see Baba here. See here. D is equal to, this square is applied minus also, 2 also, A also. So minus 2 times. Minus into minus, it's become a plus. 2 2s are 4. A into A square. Plus, again this one. Minus into minus, it's become a plus. Again plus into plus, you will get plus only. Okay. So minus into minus, it's become plus. 2 2s are 4. B into B square under root. See here, one more step we don't want to see here. Here minus into minus, it's become a plus. Plus into plus, you will get plus only. 2 2s are 4. B into B square. Now see here. D is equal to, in these two, what is the common? 4 is the common. 4 common take into A square plus B square under root. See here. 4 root value what? This root 4 into A square plus B square. 4 root value how much? 2. So D is equal to 2 will come outside without root. Under root A square plus B square is the answer. Now second question. Find the distance between the points 0 0 36 15. Can you now find the distance between two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2? This one we will see later, section 7.2. First we will find this two distance. Which one distance? See here, this distance between the points 0 0 and 36 15. That one we will discuss later. Okay. First see here, this one I am taking P. P coordinates what is there? 0, 0. Next Q, next number I am taking Q. Q coordinates what is there? 36, 50. So first we will find these two distance. Here one number we will take x1, y1. Next we will take x2, y2. Confuse is there, means side you write x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 0. This 2 you write it here. Okay. See here. Now we will find distance. Distance means what? D. D is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. See. Now without confuse write the values. X2 means what? 36. So 36 minus x1 means 0. 36 minus 0 whole square plus y2 means 15. 15 minus y1 means 0. 15 minus 0 whole square under root. Now see Baba, D is equal to 36 minus 0, 36. 36 whole square plus 15 minus 0, 15 whole square under root. Now see here 36 into 36. Here I will see 36 into 36. See here 36 square means 36 into 36 is a 36. 6 3 is a 18, 19, 20, 21 plus 3 6 is a 18, 3 3 is a 9 plus 1, 10, 6, 9, 2, 1. Once again you see 6 6 is a 36, 6 is a 18, 19, 20, 21, 18, 9, 10. Correct. See this answer you will get what? 1296 plus 15 square. 15 15s are 225. This square numbers at least you learn up to 25 by hand. Okay. See here. D is equal to 1226 plus 225 plus 225. 6 plus 5, 11. 9, 10, 12. 2 to 4 plus 1, 5. 1, 5, 2, 1. 1, 5, 2, 1 under root. 1, 5, 2, 1. 2, 2, 9, 10, 11. Right. 1, 5, 2, 1 under root. So this under root value we have to find. We have to find means two methods are there. One is prime factorization method and one more is division method. See here. 1, 5, 2, 1 under root value we have to find. Two methods are there. One is prime factorization method. One is division method. We will do division method. See here. 1, 5, 2, 1 under root. So now carefully listen this one. Split this one two parts. Already this is in 9th standard is there. 8th standard also is there. This one. Okay. This division method style. Okay. Don't know means once again I will explain. See 1, 5, 2, 1. This one split two parts. This is one part. This is one part. Now we have to do divide. This 15 means 1 ones are we will take. Otherwise 2 twos are, 3 threes are, 4 fours are, like that we will take. See here, 1 ones are, otherwise 2 twos are. Next 3 threes are, 4 fours are, like that we will take. 4 fours are means it is 16. First group what is there? 15 is there. But this is not adjust. So 3 threes are 9 adjust. So what we will take? 3 threes are 9. How much remain? 6 remain. Next transfer this full pair. Pair you have to transfer. What is that full pair? 21 is there, you transfer it. Now this one after you add here 3. One more time to add here. Which number is there? No, that number same you add it one more time. Adding after 3 plus 3 how much? 6. Now what to do means this 6 you have to take out this one, this number means into 1. 61 into 1. Otherwise 62 into 2, like that we have to think and you take it. Now see here, otherwise you take 63 into 3. This here 3 taking is 3. 63 into this number 3. 63 into 3. Otherwise 64 into 4. 65 into 5. Next 66 into 6. Like that we have to take. Here 621 is there. We will use our brain. Last number what is there? 1 is there. 1 is there means what is the chance? 9 nines are 81. Otherwise 1 ones are 1. 61 ones are not possible. One more chance what is there? 9. 9 nines are 81. So we will take 69. We will see. 69 into 9. 9 nines are 81. 9 5s are 45. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8. 62. 54 60, 62. So you will get 621. So which number adjust here? 9. 69. 9s are 621. This is the division method. Already you know this one. But then too you are try this one. Okay. This is sometimes very important. Okay. So 1521. So D is equal to what is the answer came? 39 answer came. So D value is 39. Distance between P and Q, how much is there? 39 is there. 39 is the answer. This answer is finished. The distance between the points 0, 0 and 36. 0, 0, 36 distance how much came? 39 came. Now again he is asking one more question. Can you now find the distance between two towns A and B discussed in the section 7.2? In 7.2, this diagram is there. This in textbook 7.2, this diagram is there. What is the diagram? Means here see, observe, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. X-axis, y-axis. Two towns are there. What is the town? A town and B town. See, A town means you observe here. A town means this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Here what are the coordinates? This is the origin. Origin means what are the coordinates? Here 0, 0 are the coordinates. See, here 0, 0 coordinates. Next, here what is there? Here B town what is there? B town here 36, 15. So here coordinates what? 36, 15. See here. A coordinates it is the origin. Origin means what are the coordinates? 0, 0. But B coordinates what? X axis means 36. Y axis means 15. See Baba. X axis 36. Y axis 15. So what are the B coordinates? 36, 15. A coordinates 0, 0. B coordinates 36, 15. So now distance between the two towns A and B. A means what I am taking coordinates 0, 0. B town means what we are taking 36, 15. The distance between town A and town B. See here same values are there. Here we are taking this is P and this is Q. It means what is 0, 0 is there, 36, 15 is there. Here also in section 7.2 section in this diagram in textbook, this diagram, this value is 0, 0. This value is 36, 15. X axis means 36, y axis means 15. Origin means 0, 0. So here values also same is there. Town A 0, 0 is there. Town B is 36, 15 is there. This distance what is there means already we did in the question. In the question 0, 0, 36, 15 we did. What answer came? 39 answer came. Again don't need to do. Okay, already this same numbers we did. So here write distance between town and A and B is what answer came? 39. So here you write 39 kilometer. You write it. This is the answer. This full first this values you find. Next here think and you write the coordinates 0, 0. This is 36, 15 you write it means this again don't do the answer. So direct this answer also 39 kilometer you write it. Now in this one we did first question and second question only one formula, distance formula, only distance formula to all questions are there. Next again we will meet next video. I hope are you clear? I think